In this clip today, we're going to be doing some assembly files, and I'm going to show you how to mate two Lego bricks together and then get them flush on both axes. So to get started, I'm going to go File, New, check that I'm in Metric, and then pop down to my Assembly menu where I want Standard MMIAM. I'm going to create a file, and then from here, I'm going to place in a couple of different coloured Lego bricks. So for the first one, I might pop in my green one here, just doing a click, and then I'm going to right click and cancel so that I can pick another colour. Makes it a little bit easier when you're getting started to use two different colours so that you can see the difference between your blocks. Okay, they're also labelled differently as well on the left here. So, in my constrain menu, I'm going to double check that I'm on mate. Now I'm going to click on one end, just zooming out a little bit. I'm going to click on one end. Okay, you can see that there's a little plus symbol with an arrow up the top. I'm going to flip it around and click on the other end of my block. Now they are mated together. I'm going to apply. If I do a free revolve of this, you can see that they're stuck together, but they're not quite flat on the tops and they're not quite flat on the sides. So to get them flat, I'm going to use the flush. I'm going to click on the front faces. Again, you can see that there's that little plus symbol with the arrow. I'm going to apply. And I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to collect on those two top faces. Again with a flush and a flush. And that's the process of coming through and mating them and flushing them on both axes. So again, I'm going to place in a part. I'm going to go constrain. I'm going to select on one end of my Lego block, and then the other end that I want to be stuck to it, apply. Don't worry if they're quite off like this one, they're actually stuck together at that same level. When I go flush and I pick on the front face of each of these blocks, you can see that it helps out getting them nice and flat. And by the time that I've come through and done on the fronts and the tops, you can see that they're all nicely constrained together in a nice row. Now you want 4 of those to get started with yours.